Hello everybody, welcome to Jack Talk. It is time for our digital and system and knowledge. And feeling bored? Don't worry, because I believe that's so far almost enough for you guys and the basic knowledge about digital. What is a digital system? Okay, once again, digital is a binary. Binary is digital. That's it. I'm going to have lots of different topics, series, and for some other issues like system setup, like the Windows, like the networking, and like the internet, something like that, or even the cell phone control, all those things. Okay, but too much work. Anyway, one by one. Okay, now today, back to our topic. And first of all, I let you guys review something. Let's recall the very first or second session. We mentioned about something like the 8 bits, right? 0, 0, 0, 0, 8, okay, all the way down to 1, all the way up to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? That's a very basic concept for binary system. We use the combination of those 0 and 1 to represent something meaningful, okay, for us. Okay, instead of the real name, we use a number combinations. The number system only has 2 elements, either 1 or 0. But the weakness is the string of the 0 and 1 too long. If I tell you, okay, and buddy, can you lend me some money? And I need $0.1110 you would say, what? Okay, what are you talking about? Because it doesn't make sense to us, right? So same thing here, because the 0 and 1 string, the stream too long, right? It's not easy to, have a communication in human. So people develop another system. It's called hexadecimal system. But actually, hexadecimal system actually is a not big difference. Has a big difference from the binary system. It's just like the short form, okay, for us and to communicate each other. Okay, so now it's 8 bits, right? So every 4 bits form a new number in the 16 base hexadecimal system. The decimal system will have only 10 symbols, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 10 symbols. But based on the 16 base numeral system, we need more symbols. We just borrow from English letters. Beyond 9, we don't have 10 in decimal system. But in hexadecimal system, we have 10. But 10 is 2 digits, right? How do we use one digit, one single symbol to represent 10? Just like what I said, we borrow letters from English. Letter A is 10. B, 11. C, D, E, F, and then up to F. So from here to here, we have 16, right? Including 0. Got it? Okay. Now, 1, 1, 1, 1 is what? 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. That's 8 in decimal. That's a 4. That's a 2. That's a 1. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. That's a 15. So 15, that means what? F. So instead of write 4 ones, we use single symbol F to represent 15. So 1111, another 1111, that means 8 bits. We use a 2F. FF. Oh, sorry. FF means what? 8 bits. Okay? So you may have an argument. Okay, how do I prove same value? Because from here to here, remember, we call the knowledge, there's a 256 numbers. How to prove FF is 256 again? Now, based on 6, F is a 15, right? It's a 15 times what? 16. Okay? You will have what? 255. But add the 0, so that means 256 numbers are available. Right? So now FF, don't mention 1111. 15 is here. But this one, should pointing out here, is F times 16. It's a 255, right? And plus a 0, that means this number represents 200, oh, sorry, again, make mistake, 256. So that means we simply write down FF instead of 8 digits with 1 or zeros. That's easy, right? Because easy to tell. So remember, FF means 256. Now we prove it. Why use this way? Think about that. Your house, okay, has 2 addresses. Do you realize that? The first one everybody knows, maybe not everybody knows, but you're quite familiar with. That's on the street number, right? Your address is 12345 Kingsway. So that means mailing address. That's a very good definition, because only for delivery, for people looking for you, right? That's mailing address. But your house, your home, do have another address. That's a property number. Okay? You pay the property tax, something like that. That number won't be changed. Okay? Because there's a piece of land. Right? The number of your property. That's very important. But mailing address could be changed. If next door tear down, okay, address available, maybe you like the address, you like something like that. The Chinese people always like the number 8. You can send an application to the city hall or provincial government, I don't know anyway. It could be changed, mailing address. But the property number won't be changed. Otherwise, and it's not, the lot number is not the same piece of land of your house. Okay, so internet, for internet communication, right? We have something called MAC address. You know what it is? MAC is a media access control. Okay, this MAC address not for internet communication, exchange data, that kind of thing. No, it's for ID for your hardware item. All the cell phone, your computer, your worker key, and the network capable printer, they always have an MAC address. That's a permanent address. They burn the address onto the device at the factory. Okay? So that's use what? That's use a 16-base hexadecimal number. Okay? I don't want to put this in the session too long. So next time, we're going to explain something about the addressing. How people use the hexadecimal system to represent numbers for something very important. Also in the color, okay? If you have experience for something like the web page editing, you may pick the color for your background color for whatever purpose. And then you pick RGB. Still remember that last time? Okay. They use the 2 digits of the hexadecimal number to represent 256 level of the red color, 256 level of the green color, and so on for blue color. So people easy to pick. So there's a loss of the color, right? People can give all those so many over, and 10 million colors and each a name, right? So they use the number, use the hex number. That's why. Think about that. If you use the binary number, the number string should be very long, go to Kingsway. Okay? So that's why. If you know all this, very interesting. Okay? See you guys next time. Thank you.